Welcome, ladies and gentlemen. Today, it's Python time. So, well, in the last few attempts of videos I made, by the way, this is the only video on the channel so far. But after I make the second video, this is going to be the very first video ever, and I won't remove it. So, anyways, what we're going to do, we're gonna make a file like those, except the YouTube thing. Yeah, this Python file named YouTube. We'll rename it in the future. However, we're gonna let the comments decide that. So, YouTube over here, it does nothing so far because, well, it's a pointless program. It only has the import time thing. Anyways, the idle thing, that's basically the shell of Python. So let me get my programming skill factory up and running. By the way, I'm not like some kind of side. I'm just an Egyptian kid in a house in Egypt. However, yeah, I may or may not have learned English from my dad. Oh dear, that wasn't meant to happen. Anyways, right now, the name of the game is Python. And right now is time. Get it? Because it says import time here. Yeah, I don't think that was a funny joke at all. Jokes aside, might get tortured a little bit. Wow. So, anyways, I mean, I don't know how to do the events thing yet because, well, number one, it's nearly impossible for me to get the thing figured out. Number two, I can't even get the system running. Well, I mean, I got the Python shell on the other Python thing. But I'm just gonna do a little thing with a pin to taskbar. So IDLE. Yep. You there, mister. Pin to taskbar. So it's safe to say, wait, no, I didn't. Yeah, let's unpin that from the taskbar and close that. So now, anyways, back to the coding part. Also, I just want 3 minutes already. Anyways, today, like I said, the name of the game, Python. Oh! Yeah, I don't know how to do sound effects yet because I'm running with OBS Studio. Anyways, let's get this program up and running, kick-started like always. So, today, well, why did I even say that? Anyways, time for Python. Now, today I'll explain the basics, and this is basically going to be an introduction to Python, so we'll see how this goes. So anyways, the first thing you'll notice is that if you look up at the name, you'll notice there's .py. Well, the .py thing, that's actually the magic thing, which basically turns the file into a Python program. So import time. So now we're going to print. Oh, damn it. So we're going to print YouTube. Well, I mean, basically, like what I'm doing, you could do whatever you want. But there's also something else I could do. If I type num1, you might notice I didn't make a variable named num1. Also, I'm just pointing that out because all the other Python programmers out there are just who were screaming at me. Yeah, they're wrong now. Got 'em. But anyways, first off, for people who are not good at Python, here import time. If we run that, look, it says error. Trace back most recent call last, and then it says file C, which is right here. Users mona.copy youtube.py line 4 in module. Well, it's not a module, but anyways, it says print num1. The name error. The name num1 is not defined. So let's do the L and 1. The L and the 1 both look the same. So if we were to type L by mistake instead of 1, that would instantly create an issue. By the way, I'm clicking 1 right now, and it's making a bunch of 1s. Anyways, so num1 equals num1 plus 1. So this will basically add itself, and then num1 and num-l. Okay, so I think I fixed the issue. Now we should be able to go ahead, run module, see what happens. Okay. So first off, we need to copy that part. Anyways, we need to make that go down. And then num1 equals num1 plus 1. Now for this one up above, it's going to be 0. Now if we run the program, it says 1. But we also need to do the while true Now, it's important to note that you must never type code with capital unless it's the while true thing, like the T in true, that should be capital. So anyways, tab, tab, tab. And then, if we run the program, one, just a bunch of ones. Look at how many ones there are. We're climbing up the stairs slowly, glitchingly. But anyways, let's skyrocket ourselves to the tippity top. And the thing is glitching. I don't know why it's glitching, but it's definitely freaking out. I think the thing is... Yeah, I'm gonna kill it. So, number one... Oh, I realized my mistake. So, number one, that isn't supposed to be there. It's supposed to be right over here. Num1 equals 0, and then it won't repeat that command. So the numbers should get bigger and bigger. Look at that! Look at that! Okie dokie. We're gonna get it to 1,000 in no time. Maybe? I don't know. Yep, we made it to 1,000. So, debugging. Debugger. And currently the thing isn't idle. So go to the file line. So that's gonna repeat forever. We're gonna kill the program. And then now we do time dot sleep, and then look, it says sleep for how many seconds. I mean, I'm just gonna set it to 10 for now and see how long the thing's gonna stay on. Anyways, that's it. So we're going to save it as is. Yes, Python files. Save it. Yes, let's replace youtube.py. So now, a new youtube.py has appeared in the place of the old one. So if we run this one, we could see we get to about number 1,000. What? Oh dear God. Oh dear God, what have I done? What have I... Oh wait, I could reduce the amount of things by a lot actually by just deleting that. then doing it to there, and then we just save. Boom. Now YouTube. It's gonna do the same thing as before, except much faster. Whoa! It's skyrocket. It's 1,000 already. Like with the actual IDE shell, when I tested it, it was much slower. But boy, are we getting to the thousands and seconds. Like, look at the numbers row over here. But no, I continue. Woo! Or just flying down the number chart. But I mean, this program could also potentially kill your computer. Because boy, is it taking up a bunch of RAM. So anyways, there's also a little cheeky thing I want to do. So, it's a if thing. So if num1 were to literally equal, say 3,000, then we will do the exit function. So exit. And now, if we run the module, let's save it. And then, now it should do this until it reaches 1,000. So that's the video for today. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. Like, I'm begging you. This is actually my first video ever. Also, it's been quite torturous with the past attempt at the video making. What? It hit 1,000. Oh dear. Wait, okay, look. I'm sorry guys, it's not the end of the video. I did a rookie mistake. Okay, let's test the code, and if it works, it's gonna be the end of the video. We're just gonna wait for the thing to finish. I mean, we could do it in a quicker way, simply by just going over here to YouTube and actually running the program itself. It's already skyrocketed to hundreds. Ooh, this one's almost reached 1,000. They're both crunching down on them. You have got to be kidding me. Yeah, let's kill that program. What? It hit 1,000. And the program didn't kill itself. Yeah, whatever. Anyways. Well, this is the end of the video for the day. So, goodbye, ladies and gentlemen. Also, like I said, please like and subscribe, because this is like the first video on the channel ever. Like, the very first one. So please just subscribe. I'm actually begging you. Okay, bye.